There's a picture on my kitchen wall, looks like Jesus and his friends involved. There's a party getting started in the yard, and there's a couple getting steamy in the car parked in the drive. Was I too young to see this with my eyes? And by the pool that night, apparently the chemicals weren't mixed